Boneddigion y Boneddigesau, ladies and gentlemen, the Llangollen International Musical Eisteddfod has seen many changing times over the years, but the times in which we currently find ourselves must surely be the most challenging ever. Of course, the Llangollen Eisteddfod itself was founded in response to a great crisis, with the vision of fostering hope and peace in the wake of the devastation of the Second World War. Since the year of its inception, 1947, it has been the most extraordinary example of friendly international cooperation, celebrating a vast variety of cultures and traditions and creating lasting relationships, all under the banner of the festival's message of peace. The Eisteddfod's motto, which was composed by the great Welsh poet T. Gwyn Jones, is Byd gwyn fydd byd a ganol, gwraeth fydd ei gerddi fo. For those not fortunate enough to have the language of heaven, a translation of those words would be, "Blessed is a world that sings, gentle are its songs." It seems to me, ladies and gentlemen, that those words have never been more relevant than at present, when so many of us have been made aware as never before of the need to care for one another and for gentleness. What better way for us all to be able to share that message and connect the world than through the universal languages of music and dance? Thankfully, in this rapidly developing digital age, even though it has not been possible to welcome visitors to the beautiful Vale of Llangollen, which I've so enjoyed visiting myself on many occasions, it is still possible for the spirit of this unique festival to work its worldwide magic. This year, the essence of Llangollen International Musical Eisteddfod will be captured for us all to enjoy through a series of online activities led by the festival's artistic director, Dr. Edward Rhys-Harry, and the staff team based at the pavilion. So I can only take this opportunity to wish the International Eisteddfod every possible success in its digital program this year and in the years to come, as you share the musical inspiration of Wales with the rest of the world. Pob dymuniad da i chi gyd.